What's up, everybody? Today, it was the start of the 25 days of Christmas. It's December 1st, the last month of the year, and the market just is not feeling the holiday spirit. There's a lot of red out there, I guess in the name of Santa Claus, but it just wasn't, it really wasn't a good day anywhere. Doesn't matter. Penny stocks, large caps, crypto's even being pulled down with the S&P 500. We'll pull up a chart here. Here's just like the S&P 500. You can see like we had this pullback, and today we thought it was recovering, and it just got absolutely clobbered. I mean, you zoom out, right? Like the dip is pretty minimal, but like it's pretty significant. I got that channel from forever ago. It's coming back down to the support level of the 450s. I mean, we got some pretty key support down in the 430s. I'm not saying it's going to get down that far, but the market's weak because of the new COVID variant. I'm going to butcher how you say it. It's like Omicron. And people are freaking out. It's like deja vu to like what it was 2-3 months ago when like Delta came out. It's the same story over and over again. We'll see how long that narrative lasts. If it's serious, it's too early to tell. But the markets are reacting. They're pulling back because there's travel bans. And obviously, like, it's not good in general just to have a virus. With that, though, I really didn't trade today. Put out a couple tweets in small cap. I was like, hey, guys, like, it just sucks out there. And sometimes, like, that's the best thing to do. Sometimes the best trade is just no trade at all because there really isn't much going on. And then on Twitter, I said AMC, which I'll pull up right here, symbolizes how I feel about the market, how the mighty have fallen. The AMC run was just phenomenal up in June. Really brought a lot of strength and, momentum to the market. And like 2 weeks ago, I was like, this like has a chance to go higher and break out. And it did. Until this, the SPY pulled back. We've got Omicron with his, leader Megatron, and it just got crushed. So, AMC was down at the lows, was down like 20% today. This chart's just getting like, it's a bad chart now. It's probably just going to fade off as AMC, rightfully should. And then we got GME as well. Very similar story. Hasn't pulled back just as far. The chart isn't as bad as AMC is, but sorry, I'm turning on my volume because I keep getting the dings. Either way, like how the mighty have fallen. And it's important to note what former runners are doing because AMC and GME brought a ton of life to the market, not only beginning of 2020, but also again over the summer. And like we were saying, it would be awesome if AMC and GME broke out to new highs because if that happened, even more momentum would come. And as traders, that's what you want. You want momentum. You want people talking about the market. You want like people interested in the market. So, it's kind of a little low blow here in the holiday season on December 1st. Some of the greats are starting to fall. I do want to talk about DWAC, though. It had a very interesting close. So we'll end this on a lighter note of a stock. DWAC is one of those. It's the Trumper, the hashtag presidential pump runner that ran its Trump social media network. Since then has gotten crushed, pulled back. Into close, though, there was a wild 300,000 share market order that halted DWAC up. That's a lot of shares. Typically, when you see something like that, like clearly it's a big investor. It's a fund, a big person with a ton of money. Like 300,000 times 40 is, geez, $12 million. Like someone threw $12 million at this. Maybe news is coming on it. It's speculative. I don't know. For me, it's a chase now. I was looking for this to have a first green day, and it sucks how it happened. Sometimes the best trades, the best setups just don't set up right. Like I wish this would have happened tomorrow morning or something. Who knows what's going on with DWAC? But clearly someone really wanted in on this. They halted up, bought all these shares. So there is some momentum out there. It's just that was a trade that was hard to, we were watching it. We were stalking it. We've been stalking it for like 2 weeks in small cap. And then it plays out like that, and it's just tough to trade. So for me, I ended up like $100 today. I'm trying to remember the ticker I traded. Might have been NRXP. Yeah, in the morning, which ended up just getting crushed. I'll probably watch it again tomorrow, though, because it's setting up once again for that first green day move. I tried to play it this morning off this action here, and it just didn't work. We got this like quadruple top here just under 7, and since then got crushed. We're now down 3 days in a row. So like that's the sweet spot, 2 to 3 red days before you get a bounce. Obviously, it's pretty much filled this whole gap over here when that news came out. So we're looking for it to rebound. That's pretty much the only thing I see working. You know, I made $100 on it on a slow day. You know, I saw a lot of people out there being very red. The market is definitely choppy. I'm not saying like don't trade, like, but like you have to be very selective. It's not what we're used to of just, it's not even last week. Last week, Thanksgiving week was wild. We got a ton of momentum. And that's kind of what we've been seeing for like 2-3 months now. It's just like 2-3 slow weeks. And then we get like 2, 3, 4, 5 days of just really hot, crazy runners. So you always got to be prepared. If you're not watching the market every day, you're not looking at your scanners, you're not looking at stocks to trade, you're going to miss those days. And those days can make your month. You know, if the momentum's wild enough, they can make your year. Like I've seen some crazy trades that some people have made. And it comes down to the opportunity meeting your preparation. But if you're not prepared, you're not going to be able to capitalize on that opportunity. So that's what I'm doing. I'm here every day. Tui's not with me because he's actually giving a webinar right now, I believe, for the StocksToTrade team. Let's go. I'm sure he'll be talking. I'm pulling up the chat. Oh, I don't have it on this laptop. That's a fail. But if you want in on Tui's StocksToTrade team, we'll include a link below. I got to get it on this laptop because I don't think it's a small cap webinar. It's definitely a StocksToTrade team webinar. So it was at the same time we usually film small cap. That's why he's not here. If you like Tui, click that link. You can get in on it. You also get Bohen. And I'm actually probably going to start doing StocksToTrade team webinars as well. So that's all I got today, guys. You know, I know it's a little shorter one, but not much is happening out there, right? I want just to emphasize for the dedicated people out there who are still watching this, like, it's okay. Take it slow. The opportunity is not that good right now, but you got to be prepared. So wherever you feel like you're weak, whether it's your, you know, you suck at listed or OTC stocks, doesn't matter. Wherever you feel like you're weakest, study it, figure it out. We've got a ton of examples. We got a ton of great content on StocksToTrade on this YouTube channel. Review it all, because when the opportunity does come back, you better be prepared. You don't have any excuses. So thank you for watching, everyone. Click that like and subscribe button. That's all I got today. I will see you tomorrow on the second day of StocksToTrade's 25 Days of Christmas. I hope you all enjoyed that video. Thanks for watching the whole thing and being part of the StocksToTrade community. We wouldn't be here without all of you. So if you have not already, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. Our goal at StocksToTrade is to reach 100,000 YouTube subscribers by the end of the year. So if you like the content we're putting out and you want to hear more, please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.